Hello everybody, welcome to week 4 of Technical CAD. If we click into this, we will see the assignments that we're doing this week. The first things listed are blank, orthographic, and isometric paper. So one is for drawing your three-dimensional objects, and you'll see that it's different than graph paper that you're used to. And then your orthographic graph paper is there for you if you don't happen to have it at home and you can print it out. There's a blank copy of it so that you have some. I have a orthographic versus isometric PowerPoint that I would like you to go over. You do not need to take notes on it, but you will be using it as well as the PowerPoint from last week to answer the orthographic and isometric drawing questions. So I'm going to open that up just to show you. These are simple questions that you're going to be answering and submitting once finished. To test your knowledge on this subject. And if you know all these answers or you're able to answer them without the PowerPoints, that's fantastic. You know the subject perfect. If you have to revisit the PowerPoints, that means it's just information that you need to work on keeping in your brain, keeping it there so that you know what they mean when I say it in class without you having to research the answer. So that's the first assignment. Then I've got your drawing problems 1 through 4. What you're going to do is you're going to print 4 of these. It's a one-page document. You're going to print 4 of them. It's a template for you to lay out your drawings. So let me show you what that looks like. You are going to write the drawing name here, and then you are going to give me the isometric drawing, and you're going to break it down for the different views that are required. So if we go back and look at the assignment itself, I give you the isometric. You are going to redraw the isometric and then give me the multi-view drawings or the orthographic drawings that go with that isometric. And you're going to do that 4 times for the 4 different drawings I have. Once you're finished, you will be attaching a Google Doc with all of those drawings that you've printed out and drawn. You'll be attaching a Google Doc with those pictures. So just like we did last time, you'll take a picture of each assignment, boop, 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 and you'll attach them to a Google Doc and submit it for me to grade. That's what you're doing for drawing problems 1 through 4, and then later on in the week we will be doing drawing problems 5 through 8. So just to start, we're going to be working on these 2, and then the second half of the week we'll be doing 5 through 8. If you have any questions, always please feel free to email me. If not, I hope you guys have a good week.